Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Techie Teddy here with another product review. Today I will be reviewing the Philips Hue smart bulbs powered by Wiz. These budget smart bulbs are a perfect addition to your smart home needs. Before we get started, be sure to pound that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video release. If you enjoy my videos, I kindly ask that you hit the thumbs up button and leave some of your feedback in the comments section below. Let's go ahead and get started. I stopped by my local Home Depot and picked up the Philips Hue smart bulb powered by Wiz. For just about $12 a bulb, you can instantly connect your smart bulb to your Wi-Fi network and have millions of color variations at the touch of a finger or the sound of your voice. The best part about this bulb is that it doesn't require a hub or a base station. The bulb will seamlessly connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and allow you to control the lights from anywhere in the world. My favorite feature about these bulbs is the ability to control them with just the sound of your voice. The integration with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri shortcuts allows you to control anything from color to brightness within the split of a second. The Philips Hue smart bulb comes in easy to understand packaging and has setup directions and features along the exterior of the box. Before we get started, you'll want to download the Wiz app from the App or Google Play Store. As you can see on the back of the packaging, this Philips Hue light bulb is a 60-watt LED light bulb and can emit 800 lumens of brightness. I found this bulb to be on the brighter side when comparing it to my CoolGeek smart bulb. Philips also lists that this smart bulb has a lifetime of around 22 years. Now let's go ahead and get the box open. Once we get the lid open, you'll see the smart bulb in all of its glory. The bulb itself is extremely light, similar to all of the Philips Hue smart bulb hardware. Compared to the CoolGeek smart bulb, this thing feels like a feather. I really like the form factor of the Philips Hue smart bulb. It's visually appealing to the eye and, in my opinion, a really awesome piece of hardware. Philips Hue has stamped the Wiz connected logo on the physical light bulb as well as a full color Wi-Fi LED stamp. Setting up the Philips Hue smart bulb is virtually effortless. All you'll need to do is screw the light bulb into the light fixture of your choice, download the Wiz app from the App Store, and follow the steps in the Wiz app to begin and complete setup. I will run you through the setup process and show you just how easy it is to get the smart bulb connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Once the bulb is screwed into the light fixture, it will automatically illuminate to let you know that it is receiving power. Go ahead and launch the Wiz app on your smartphone and click the blue plus sign in the top right-hand corner so we can select which device we will be adding. Let's go ahead and select Light. When prompted, enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network credentials. Following that, we will then select Continue. You will need to toggle off your smart bulb and then turn it back on. This will allow the Wiz app to locate the bulb within your home network. Once we go ahead and do that, let's then select Start. The Wiz app will begin to search for your smart bulb. Please note that this might take a while before the bulb is located. I sped this up for the sake of time. Once the smart bulb is located, you will see the logo of the light bulb. We will then want to select Finish once our light bulb has been found. Go ahead and select the icon that you would like to assign to your light bulb, and then select Done. Once you select Done, you will see your light bulb has been added into your home. Setup is that easy, and you will have a smart light bulb up and running in a matter of minutes. Feel free to play around with the Wiz app to toggle different color variations. The sky is really the limit. If you have a Google Home, an Amazon Alexa, or Siri shortcut set up, you'll be able to toggle on and off your smart light with the sound of your voice. Let's listen in here. Okay Google, turn the night table green. Okay Google, turn the night table blue. Okay Google, turn the night table red. As you can see from this video, it's so easy to set up the Philips Hue smart bulb powered by Wiz. For a very affordable price, you can turn any room in your home into a smart one just by using the sound of your voice. I will definitely be picking up some extra bulbs and installing them into the remainder of my lamps and light fixtures. That's all for today's video review of the Philips Hue smart bulbs powered by Wiz. If you're interested in purchasing this item, I left a link below that will take you to Home Depot's website. If you have any questions, I urge you to leave them in the comments section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. I thank you all for stopping by the channel and tuning in. If you haven't done so already, be sure to pound that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can be notified every time a new video is released. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, Techie Teddy out.